Guys, you're not gonna believe what I'm doing right now. I'm using Claude Fable 5. Yeah, the model and from Anthropic. Literally said was too dangerous to release to the public. And now somehow I've got it running on my screen, and that too for free. So let me ask it. Which model are you on right now? So we're gonna be testing out, is it really Fable 5 or not? So as you can see, it says I'm running on Claude Fable 5, an Anthropic model. So Fable 5 is Anthropic's brand new Mythos, class model. Their most powerful AI ever shipped to the public. Well, it just dropped, on June the 9th, and it beats Opus 4.8. As you can see here, this is Opus 4.8. It's scoring like 69.2%, but check this out. Mythos 5, Fable 5, 80%. That's like almost 10%. Jump instantly. That's insane. Well, it can run autonomous talks for hours without losing the plot, millions of token contests. But here's the catch. Anthropic is only giving it free to pro users and max users and team subscribers until June 22nd. After that, it's gone from the plans. You are paying the per token to even touch it. That's insanely expensive. And trust me, this model burns tokens fast. So here's what I'm gonna show you today. A way to get full access to Claude Fable 5 completely free for 30 days. No credit card, no pro plan, nothing. And no, that's not even some kind of, sketchy workaround. It's 100% legit method that almost nobody's talking about it. So stick with me till the end, because by the time of this video is over, you'll be using the most powerful AI on the planet without spending a single penny. So go to gitlab.com. I will leave a link in the description. Click on get free trial. Then this is the page that you have to fill in the information. Fill in all the information about it. Okay, so you'll be on this screen right here. Click the models and select the Fable model here. And if you want to make a screen bigger, you can see the arrow over there, maximize the window, and that's it. Alright, so I've got access to Fable 5 now, sitting right here, ready to go. Well, look, I'm not gonna throw some crazy enterprise level, task right away. So let's just see. I just want to see, can this thing actually deliver? Is it really as good as Anthropic is making it sound? So let's keep it simple. So I'm gonna be asking Fable 5 to build me one of the most classic games ever, the snake game, using an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, and just one single file should be playable right in the browser. Okay, so well, see, now don't get me wrong, this isn't just a hard task. Any decent model can do this, but that's exactly the point. I want to see how Fable 5 does it, the code quality and everything. Let's just do that. So here's my prompt. Build me a complete snake game in a single HTML file, including score, tracking, smooth controls, and clean retro look. And that's it. No hand holding, and let's see what it does. Okay, so it says core details, everything, nothing to worry about how it works and everything. Okay, right. So I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna simply copy this entire code and paste this in the VS Code. So I'm opening it using VS Code, paste the file here, copy this one. And then I'm gonna be opening this using the browser, so it's gonna be opening up right here. Let's see if it's really playable or not. So it says snake, press paste to start. We did that. Okay, perfect. It's working. Alright, so it's working. So let's put it to a different test. I think I'm gonna ask him to enhance it, give it a more graphical look. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's see. This is the snake. I'm gonna refresh. Oh my god, crazy. So space. That's insane. Cool. Okay, let's test him. Okay, can you build me a game which is a shooting type of game? And I want you guys, test it out. Just do whatever you have to, since we have this for till 22nd of June, which is about 10 days from now. So yeah, that's crazy. And that too, we're just using it for free. You can build 3D websites, you can build applications using this, but it's gonna be a little bit hard for you guys to kind of work in this directly in the GitLab. Well, it kind of also pushes it to the GitHub, but some of you may not know. So yeah, so the game name it has named is Neon Strike 3D Arena Shooter. Let's see how this is gonna look. I'm very super excited for this one. Okay, it has been built. Now let me just copy the code here and paste it in here. Paste it. Okay, save it, minimize it, and go back here, refresh this page. Okay, it says Neon Strike. Click press space to start. Okay, okay, this is like, you know, I like it. I mean, so far so good. My god, if I be a little bit more, like, you know, specific, it's gonna be, you died. I love it. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. And one more thing I would like to mention here, on my recent video about the Claude, which I have, you know, I think uploaded a couple days back, maybe like a week ago. So I got a good you know, a lot of love from you guys, but a lot of you guys are, you know, asking me the model is not free anymore. See, whenever I post these videos, it's for the time being, like this. It's for the 30 days trial, and after this it's gone. So you're watching a video after some time, so maybe that point of time the model is not free anymore. So the thing is, these highly capable models are free for a very limited time. So I suggest you guys please subscribe to the channel, so you get, also turn on the notifications, so you can get the notifications instantly, and so that you will not miss out on anything. So yeah, guys, so that's it for the video, and I hope you guys like the video. Please leave a like and share on the video, and also join the community of WAP community, where we can kind of talk to each other. If you guys have any problems or something, we can kind of discuss with that over there. So yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.